Hello, this is Krystalstation, and it's Cooking with Krystal. Like Cooking with Paris Hilton, like the new TV show called Cooking with Paris is on Netflix. It came on today with Kim Kardashian. That's why I'm doing one for tonight, be inspired of her. That's why we're making chili. Then tomorrow we're making spaghetti, right? And that's why I'm wearing like unicorn pink shirt too.
Sorry, people. Squash and onions.
He's a squash fruit. Like if I had our baby Lesley right now, I'm just saying I would make him eat squash, healthy food, right? My favorite food will always be sushi, pizza, and tacos for life, right? At least I got my cleanse finally for It Works, my company. Finally in the mail now. People might start to buy it, maybe. Every time, because you know when your hands heals up.
Who's got the stove on? You do?
Here.
Oh.
Why you have the stove on?
I don't know.
I'll have to get a pan now. Where's that pink pan at that was here earlier? Where did it go?
So I don't know.
Did you take it out to the shed?
No.
There's a pink pan, our pan. Where is
How
it?
big of a pan is?
The big, huge pan. Where did Grandpa put them dishes?
We never had a big pink pan.
Yeah, we did. It was in the chair earlier. Where did it go at?
Oh, probably back there.
Back where? In the shed?
No.
The pink pan, the one that got burnt really bad.
You know how we use for our cookies and stuff?
I can't do that now. Anyways, that's for the spaghetti. Do the spaghetti tomorrow. See, people mix me up. You people mix me up because you don't listen who I am. So forget the pan, the chili only.
I do listen to you, Krystal.
When we get our own house and Eden Rapids, then we can do what we want to do. No one can boss us around, alright?
The reason why I said I want a house, all this stuff you got there and all this stuff I got in Detroit, I had to get
We
all
have no
in.
job. I only work for It Works, everyone. Now, where's the chili bowl at? There's no bowl to cook it in. Do you get that? Where's the bowls? How you going to cook it with the no bowls, Leslie, huh? You took the pan away. Did you put it in the store out there?
No, I did not.
In the shed? You better not.
No.
Because Grandpa do that, that'd be stupid.
Well, here, Chris, this is where you make chili in this thing here.
Yeah, that'll work.
Here, rinse that out.
Alright. I don't want no argue swearing in my video. Got it? No swearing.
Yes, baby girl. I'm not.
You see Paris Hilton swearing in her video on Netflix?
You know the chef that
Yeah,
guy.
Gordon Chef Ramsay, but I'm not him. I'm a girl.
Where did we put the beans? I don't remember.
Right now, I'm going to
Here, one's enough, right, Chris? 1 can or 2 cans?
the hot one, not
I don't want the hot one because Grandpa can't have hot, Chris.
really. It helps my taste buds, my
We can make hot another day. Is that right?
No, that's not even that hot.
Hot sauce to make ours hot if you want to make it hot,
Is
Chris.
that the same thing like this?
Kind
Thing?
of, yeah.
We're making chili. I just said that earlier. I repeat myself so people get it.
Is this regular?
We're doing. Well, let me
Is that
talk.
regular or hot?
It says chili hot
I gotta
beans.
move that one down.
We're using the Brooks chili mild beans, red beans, and chili sauce from Walmart. Excellent source of fiber for the chili. Then I could get the for later on. We're using
Damn it.
sour cream and cheese flavor.
I don't know where all the beans are at. I only found 1. 2.
What?
Yeah, because all your cereals and everything have everything blocked in here.
The Meijers Sour Cream. That's for at the end of the chili to put on top of it. Then Gilman cheese. Shake it up so I can do that. Don't stick to each other. What's this? Hello Fresh Chicken. Well, I didn't even know I had this. I thought I was a girl. I could put this in. Well, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to put White Castle ketchup in the chili and put the Hello Fresh
You ever
chicken
heard of them?
in there.
What kind is that, Chris? Over here.
Hot jalapeno butter. We're not worrying about no popcorn. We're worrying about cooking the chili. You're weird.
I'm trying to find all our beans. You mean you?
We only need 1, not 2, do we?
Yeah, 1's enough. You're right. 1's enough. You're right.
What did I mix it with, though? Do you remember last time or no?
Guacamole.
No, other beans or something.
Oh, kidney beans.
Yeah, but we're not making no Hill and Bailey way. No, we're not making the stupid way. You don't get what I mean.
No, I don't. Right.
Like how Judy would make it. I'm making it how a real person would make it off online.
You know what?
Better idea.
Better idea. I leave it to you, Krystal, because you know what you're doing. Like you said.
No, you can help me cook the meat. You said I'm not cooking the meat by myself.
Give me a pan up for the meat.
I don't know where the pan's. I don't know where.
Down the bottom.
You get it. Quit being lazy, dang. So who cares? They don't care if you fart. Fart away. Huh? For real?
Bigger pan than that, but where all the big pans are at.
You're afraid to come out here.
No, I'm not. I'm never afraid.
There we go. Beef chili with
Yeah, I'm sorry.
chicken. Chili, avocado chili.
I gotta find the chili powder and all that stuff. Oh, yeah, you mixed that up together.
Chicken. What is this? I don't know. Sauce. Chili, avocado. Here we go. Chili, chicken, avocado. I found a recipe of that. Okay, here we go. Chicken and white bean chili with avocado and all. Is there any white beans?
I don't see. I don't know. Check in the pantry things.
Something different. They're white beans. This is my own recipe. When I'm done, I'm trying to copy it. Like, how am I going to copy it? All the names to remember what it was. What I want to do is take a picture of each thing I'm going to use. Then I'll remember what it is. There. See, I'm stirring sometimes. Look. I took a picture of the phone itself. Wow.
That's enough hamburger meat, right, Krystal?
And the hamburger meat, don't say a name on it, does it? So that don't count.
Oh, right here. Right here. Krystal. Read the name right here. Yeah, just turn it around and read it like that.
I can get a picture of the meat. Oh yeah, I can't see the meat name. Just say Meijers. Was it for Meijers? Meijers meat, whatever. But that's gonna take forever. Where's the pot at for the chili?
I don't know. You gotta go get use Grandpa's can opener. I gotta go use his.
We'll go get it. Where's ours? Or
I don't know. I don't know where all our stuff is. Everything's buried in mine.
the avocado.
It's all on the bottom right in here. You'll find it right there.
Yeah, they're any good.
Grumbles that they're still good. You just gotta pull the skin right off of it. That's all.
Definitely did, and they were no good. I know. You can't use old avocado; it'll make you sick.
Yeah, I know that.
Right? Doesn't it look so good?
Yeah.
Does anyone know on here if they're any good? Let me know, please. Our avocado's so good. Let me know down below in the comments. If you don't, whatever. Give up. Right?
The only thing you want me to do is cook the meat like you said. It's all you want done.
I thought you know how to cook. You saw me cook from before getting on the floor.
Ooh, this.
And rinse it out.
You got that.
I'm busy with
Here, hold that.
avocado.
Yeah. Let me pour this out.
See, people, you don't know how to cook like I would, right? You're weird. You don't make sense. I need a knife or something. You get me on purpose. You're playing it. You're doing it to me on purpose.
No, I'm not.
Just cook. You can learn to cook with me, so stay until we're done.
But the only thing you want me to do with the meat, like you said.
Cook all the way through, like you said you would.
Okay.
Don't lie to me. Good.
I'm not, Krystal. Okay, if we're going to cook, Krystal, and all that, we can do the dishes here too. You know, get them out of the way here. If that woman comes, it'll look good on your grandfather.
Yeah, I'm not doing no dishes this late at night. That's too late. When is she coming? Tomorrow?
Yes.
Well, tell me I don't get no sleep because you do this, do that, do this, do that, right?
Yeah.
Right now I'm going to cut the avocados up. What? What are you doing?
Nothing. Ooh, that was hot. That was hot.
What, the meat?
No, the meat was not the damn the spoon. I'm not trying to toss it, but the spoon. I was using a spoon to stir the meat up. You know, whatever, and that's what got me.
See, yeah, this does not look like it's any good. Look.
If it's no good, throw them all away, Krystal. Take a taste of it and see if it's still good.
I'm not getting sick. I don't do that
Then
shit. I mean to swear that word.
I'm
Sorry.
sorry.
Oh, no
Yeah.
copyright.
Then use that one avocado. It's in one that it's down
Oh,
here.
I don't do that.
See if that's still good, Krystal.
That's nasty.
I know.
That
Then throw the
can
ones
really
that.
sit and you can get
Yeah, yes, you're right again. You're right.
Why is all the stuff in here?
I don't know. I'm the one that put the bottles in there. Put them in a bag or something to make room.
There is no bag. I'm not getting no bag. I'm busy cooking. I can't concentrate on the same thing I never could. See if this one's any good. I didn't even know this because they're from the village. Oh. I don't do this. When food goes bad, I throw it away. I don't want to get sick and poison and die.
I don't want to die either.
That's what they're talking about for a baby.
I know that.
Maybe sushi went bad 2 or 3 days. I forgot, but other food I always throw it away. Did not know that. Sorry, everybody. That's probably no good either. Look. That's guacamole. It looks okay, but you can stir it up. It looks okay a little bit.
But I got that other guacamole in a can in there. Go get it.
In a can, you don't.
No, that guacamole right by our refrigerator.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not that green yet. It's going like somewhat bad, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Alright, you're gonna mix it in the chiller, put it on top.
It's up to you, like you did last time, Krystal.
What do you mean? I'm not doing the same way like last time. You're aware I'm doing it different way this time. Do it different ways every time.
You go open that chili thing in Grandpa's room.
Here.
I'm trying to chop this meat all up for you, Krystal, and cook that all at once.
Yeah, this one's still okay. Okay, good.
Yeah.
And when it turns like brownish green, it's no good, everyone. Avocado, but when it's this green, it means it's so good. I know.
Who taught you that stuff?
Peckham
Krystal?
told me. That's why I know. And other people I know told me, like looking online.
That's pretty cool, Krystal. You learned a lot of that your whole life. I respect that, Krystal. I really do.
Yeah.
The reason why I say I respect that is because I do respect you because you're my woman.
Yeah.
I know you don't like the respect them word. Respect them word is all.
I love the respect word. One go down, and then we'll go down the drain.
Yeah, we're cooking late at night because we had a lot of things going on. This, and
I was
that.
tired from cleaning that room the other night.
Yeah, and still got to do more.
We have to watch Cooking with Paris too, right?
Yeah.
This is maybe episode, not all of them, so maybe you could watch, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought it says in that paper, Krystal, the court date is. I thought it says in that paper.
I don't know. I mixed up a lot going on.
Yeah, I know that, girl. Yeah,
Tomorrow, you said tomorrow. That's for
I don't know why
later
I feel like
tonight.
I have a migraine headache. I can feel it in my brain. Boom, 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 boom. I can feel it. Really
Wait, do you
feel
even
it.
tell what you put on the meat? See
Oh,
how
this.
stupid you are?
Oh, tell me I put that on the meat, Krystal.
Not now.
Okay, tell me I put that on the meat, Krystal.
What are you putting on the onion powder? Why would you put that?
Oh, I don't know.
That's not what you put on meat.
I put a little bit, not much. You're allowed to put onion powder on meat. Yes,
Oh,
you
that'd be
can.
nasty in my chili.
Okay, it's not in there anymore. I didn't put much. I only put a little
Okay,
sprinkle.
fine. These are not my seasonings. Where are my seasonings?
I check in there, Krystal. I don't know if I buried them in the room or not.
What do you mean?
I don't know if I buried your
See?
season in the room.
How dumb you are.
We had that type of season. We used that type of season before in the chili once. We used garlic before. We used garlic onions. We used powder before.
When we moved to Eaton Rapids, we have to take all our food and stuff with us, that we cannot forget none of it.
I
We have
know
no
that.
food when we get there. Do you get that?
Yes, baby girl.
Don't try the same bread cards when we move there, we have more. You get it now?
Yes, baby girl.
We get $250, like it says. Alright. Now, where's the bowl at? Damn it.
The reason why I wanted to move there for, because I've always wanted to move somewhere else. I'm tired of living in the same places all over that I've already been to. I want to live somewhere that
We
I've
can't
never
just
been
keep
to.
moving again and again.
I know that, Krystal. I understand that, baby girl.
Alright. It costs move again.
Yeah, it takes money to move. And
I don't like moving like that. I never have.
It takes money to move, and it takes money to make money. Yes, I respect that, Krystal. More than in the world.
Don't call me Krystal Anna. Just call me Krystal with a C.
Yeah.
Or my name is with a C, like Krystal. Characters for it works. Always been with a C, not a K. The true part. No.
Chili's an easy thing to make.
But I can't. I need the can opener. Where is it?
I'll open it right now for you.
Here, go.
Trying to stir this meat up for you and chop
Come
it
on,
up.
please
Here.
hurry up.
Here, do you do it then, Krystal?
I will go.
Here, you gotta chop that meat up like that.
You're
like
using the wrong thing.
Here, okay,
I
look.
don't use this type of tool.
Okay, stir that up real quick. Okay, okay,
You
I'm
know
sorry.
what's better? What's better soaking with you? Where's that thing? I can't find it. Damn, it's buried. So stupid. Where the hell did it go at? The beater. Can you see it in here? Where is it? Oh, there's found it. This thing right here. There. That's what I'll use. Now to put it up closer. This is for the chili now. Everyone. And that's on the high. Why does he have this on the high? You don't have it on high. But on medium, that's better. I'm gonna burn this place down. You don't even have this on. See, so stupid. What the heck? So I watch a lot of Food Network stations. Gordon Chef Ramsay, Rachel Ray, Hell's Kitchen, Kitchen Nightmares. No, I'm doing this part. Okay. You're not touching it. Do this part. Don't get on my leg. That's rude.
I didn't mean to, Krystal.
I'm just showing who I'm on. Crap, you always been. Amen.
Right for it here. Let me turn that on for you.
I'll try. What's that yellow thing right there?
That's a thing for bread.
Yeah, it's not going to work. I have to turn it the other way. Oh my God. See, this place is stupid. When we get our own kitchen, it's not going to have all this clutter stuff. Got it?
Yes.
And even if it's our house, no clutter.
It's on now. Pour it in there, Krystal.
Rinse it off really good again. Now to put the chili in the bowl. Chili mild gauge. What time is it?
It's 11:49.
Why you do that voice like that here? Don't touch it, please. You got the meat, I got the chili. Got it, please, amen. Did you hear me?
Yes, babe.
Let that soak in there so I can rinse the can good out. Alright. And cookie does get messy too, doesn't it?
You need more beans than that, I think.
What? I know that.
I don't know where your other one is. The regular don't put the hot. I don't know where the regular beans are at.
But everyone, this is part 1 and part 2 is coming. Cooking with Krystal and cooking with Chef Lesley.